Is he alive?
And yes, still alive, as you can see, with a beard of over 2 weeks now. And I was thinking it's time to do a video. So here we go, 2 weeks beard. So I think I'm gonna use one of my biggest razor in stock, my Riccardo Tonareni Custom 8.8. So that's a beast, quite heavy. It's been a while that I haven't used this one, so I'd say I need a bit of a refresh. Alright, so to refresh it, we're gonna go straight to the Naniva stone, and let's have a look at the edge. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm hoping that there won't be any dents or anything, and it looks alright. Yeah. So we'll just do a little finishing refresh on it. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. Alright, so as usual, we'll use the tape to protect the spine. There's a nice dark color on the blade. I don't want to damage this. We'll use the marker just because I'm not sure if the blade is fully straight or not. And we're gonna start straight away with the Naniva base stone and a slurry stone Asano Nagura Koma. So the Koma is over 12k grit. Alright, let's put some water on this stone. And now we're gonna start building the slurry. So as usual, not much pressure. We don't want to crack, break any of the stones or scratch it. And that's it. We've done the slurry, and we'll do just some flat egg strokes to see if the marker disappears fully from the edge. Let's have a look. Yeah, as you can see, we can see the edge very well across the entire razor. So that's perfect, perfectly flat, so it'll make it a lot easier to maintain and refresh. Okay, so we'll do a few egg strokes as usual. We're gonna dry it, that's fine. And now the final stone, that will be a Tomo Nagura. I believe it's also a Naniva Okita. So that will give us around 15k grit. So this slurry is very light, that's important. Alright, we go slowly, no point of rushing, no pressure, especially that it's a heavy blade, so just the weight of the blade is enough here. Okay, I'm cutting a little bit more with water to make the grit even a bit higher. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna dry the blade and make sure that we don't cut ourselves. And we're gonna have a look at the final edge under the microscope. There's a bit of a glare here, so hard to get a very clear image. Sorry about that. But it looks good. It looks very good actually. That should give us a very smooth shave. Now, after this, I have used my Kanayama 6000 strop, and I've done 150 laps on it. Now, back to the shaving session. Okay, because it's been 2 weeks, I will use the Proraso pre-shave cream. It's an oily cream that will make the blade gliding even more on the skin. And I like the smell of it, it's very fresh. Bit minty. Or eucalyptus. Alright, one of my favorites, or if not the favorite one, the Saponificio Varesino Cubebe, my favorite brush, the rubber set 400 with a silver tip knot on it. My alum block, I'm using the alum block to get some grip on my fingers to grab the skin and the blade. Alright, let's see. That looks good. And that feels good. Yeah. It's not a very singing blade because it's quite thick and heavy. But look at that. I can tell you, woo. The shave quality is amazing, extremely smooth. And again, no need of any pressure, just use the blade weight. It's a heavy one. And to be honest, after 2 weeks, it couldn't be smoother. Alright, here is the critical, at least for me, part. In the past, when I started with the cut throat, I cut myself quite a bit here at this place, so I'm very careful. Alright, I have my beard going straight under the lip, so I need to grab it straight under to make sure I'm getting everything cut, shaved. And again, very smooth here. Same here, you need to really stretch the skin quite well, at least for me. Especially with a heavy blade, you don't want to cut yourself under the nose. Happened to me once, it stings. And if you have a bit like this one, although I've used worse, a razor with a long tip, like Spanish tip, make sure you're looking at the tip. You don't want to slice your cheek with the nose. Ooh, I already feel a bit lighter. Feels good. We're gonna do a three steps shave here. I mean, there is no secret to shave well with a straight razor. You need a good blade, good quality blade. You need to have it honed properly. You need to know your skin very well, know the sense, the way your beard goes, and find the right angle and stretch your skin. If you do all this and take your time, don't rush. If you do all this, you will have an amazing shave at no risk. Alright, now the diagonal side, we go this way. I'm doing that for the cheek and for the mustache. Again, stretch your skin, apply the correct angle. For the chin, I'm going against the grain. And same for the neck. The neck, you just stretch your head looking up as much as you can. You don't even need to look at what you're doing. You should feel it. And you know when you're doing the right move. The mustache against the grain is a bit trickier for some. So yeah, just stretch your skin as much as you can. Apply the right angle. Look at your nose. Look at the nose, the tip of the blade. You don't want to slice your cheek. And final step, against the grain on the cheeks. Look at that, it's a lot better. Whew, I feel a lot better like this. I couldn't handle the beard after 2 weeks. Now let's apply this aftershave. Love the smell, the refreshing feeling, love it. Ooh, not even stingy, that's great. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.